In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, an extraordinary creature glides through the murky waters, embodying a power that feels almost magical. This is the electric eel, a fish that can unleash electric shocks so intense they can stun prey and even pose a real threat to humans. But how does this fascinating animal produce such incredible electrical energy? Let's dive in and explore. First off, despite its name, the electric eel isn't actually an eel at all. It belongs to a family of fish known as Gymnotidae, primarily found in South America, with the Amazon basin being its main hangout. These amazing creatures can grow up to a whopping 2.5 meters long and weigh more than 20 kilograms. Can you imagine encountering something that big while swimming? It's definitely a formidable presence in its watery world. What really makes the electric eel stand out, though, is its unique internal structure. Believe it or not, nearly 80% of its body isn't used for typical fish stuff like swimming or digesting food. Instead, most of its anatomy is dedicated to one incredible purpose: generating electricity. Inside the electric eel, thousands of specialized cells called electrocytes are packed tightly together, forming a biological powerhouse like a battery, but way cooler. So, what's the deal with these electrocytes? Each one acts like a tiny battery cell. When you stack them together, they work like batteries wired in series, allowing the electric eel to produce a super high voltage. It's like having a whole bunch of AA batteries connected to create a serious surge of energy. Pretty neat, right? Now, let's get into how this biological battery system actually works. Under normal conditions, each electrocyte keeps a voltage difference across its inner and outer membranes. This difference in electrical potential is what gives the eel its power. When the eel decides to let loose with its electric charge, its nervous system sends a signal that dramatically changes how permeable these cell membranes are. It's like flipping a switch. When that signal hits, thousands of electrocytes spring into action at the same time. This coordinated effort results in a massive burst of electricity that shoots out into the water. Imagine connecting thousands of AA batteries in a long line. This analogy really captures how the electric eel harnesses its impressive electrical abilities. The power of an electric eel's shock is nothing short of jaw-dropping. A single discharge can hit up to 600 volts. That's 5 times stronger than the electricity flowing through a standard US household outlet. The current can range from 0.5 to 1 ampere, which is more than enough to immobilize the muscles of its prey. And for humans, multiple shocks from an electric eel could potentially cause serious harm. Just think about it. The sheer power of these aquatic creatures is something to respect. But hold on, electric eels aren't just zapping everything in sight. They use their electrical abilities mainly for 2 important reasons: hunting and defense. Living in the murky waters of their habitat, where visibility is often terrible, these fish have evolved to thrive. Their electrical discharges serve multiple functions in this challenging environment. When it comes to hunting, electric eels can unleash powerful shocks to stun or even kill smaller fish. But that's not all. They also emit weak electrical pulses that act like a biological radar, allowing them to scan their surroundings and navigate through the darkness. Recent studies have even shown that electric eels can fire short bursts of electricity to flush out hidden prey, making it easier to catch them. How cool is that? The study of electric eels has really opened up new avenues in our understanding of bioelectricity. Scientists are completely fascinated by how these creatures have evolved such a unique and powerful biological system. This natural design has inspired research in various fields, including the development of biobatteries and medical devices that can generate their own power. The electric eel serves as a living example of how nature can solve complex problems in the most ingenious ways. As we wrap up our exploration of the electric eel, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe for nature's creativity. From thousands of tiny cells, this remarkable creature creates massive electrical energy, essentially turning itself into a living power plant. This incredible ability has allowed the electric eel to thrive for millions of years, even in environments where other species might struggle. The electric eel is a shining example of the hidden wonders of the natural world. Its unique adaptations remind us that there's so much more to discover and learn from the diverse life forms that share our planet. As we continue to study and understand creatures like the electric eel, we not only gain insights into the marvels of biology, but also find inspiration for technological advancements that could benefit humanity. From the murky waters of the Amazon to the forefront of scientific research, the electric eel continues to captivate our imagination and challenge our understanding of what is possible in nature. Its ability to generate such powerful electrical discharges from what seems like an ordinary body is a perfect example of how nature can surprise and amaze us, even after centuries of scientific exploration. And let us not forget the importance of preserving and protecting the diverse ecosystems that are home to such unique creatures. The Amazon rainforest and its waterways host countless species, each with its own remarkable adaptations and potential to teach us about the intricacies of life on Earth. If we want to keep learning from these amazing animals, we need to do our part in safeguarding their habitats. The story of the electric eel is just one of many fascinating tales from the natural world waiting to be uncovered. It serves as an invitation for us to stay curious, keep exploring, and marvel at the incredible diversity of life that surrounds us. Whether it's the powerful shock of an electric eel or the subtle complexities of other species, nature never fails to inspire and amaze. As we finish our journey into the world of the electric eel, let's carry with us a renewed sense of wonder for the natural world. The next time you hear about an unusual animal ability or a surprising scientific discovery, think about the electric eel and how it challenges our understanding of what's possible in nature. There are countless mysteries still waiting to be unraveled, and each new discovery has the potential to change our perspective and inspire innovation. In the grand tapestry of life on Earth, the electric eel stands out as a shining example of nature's creativity and adaptability. Its unique abilities remind us that sometimes the most extraordinary powers can be found in the most unexpected places. As we continue to study and learn from creatures like the electric eel, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities, both in understanding our natural world and in developing new technologies inspired by nature's ingenious solutions. So, the next time you think about the electric eel, remember it's not just a fish. It's a symbol of nature's brilliance. Its story is a reminder of the wonders that exist in the world around us, waiting for us to discover them. Let's keep our minds open and our curiosity alive, because there's so much more to learn from the incredible creatures that share our planet.